Hey everyone, in this quick but full overview, we'll go through Dream by WOMBO app, which is really viral these days. In case you first hear about this app, or maybe you've heard about it but just don't know how to use it, I will show you. I used this app for a few months, even when it wasn't that viral as it is right now, and it's really amazing app. So basically, the whole idea of this app is using some AI model, artificial intelligence, and then you, with the help of AI, you can create images and pictures and art. And here on the homepage, you can just see some examples of what other users already created. So you can see some images. So let's just go in detail. So basically, you can click on the image, and then what it says McDonald's in the bottom is just basically the search prompt. That's basically what user entered, and then the image, as you can see, this is what the AI algorithm generated. So the mystery of underwater world, and this is what was the image. So yeah, to do that, just tap plus, and then here you can enter prompt. You can do something like forest. You can enter multiple prompts, by the way, if you think that you like forest and sea. So then it will be just easier for other people to understand. But anyway, forest, you can choose art style. There are a few of bunch art styles. So they recently just added these few art styles which have Netflix logos. This is just a promotion of some Netflix show. But here we can add surreal style, or you can also select no style. And then later I will show that there is a cool feature with input image. But now let's just try this. And now you should be able to generate this image. And you see in the real time that this image is being generated. So that's really amazing. And there you have it. In this style, you have generated the image. You can tap generate again if you don't like this one, and it will regenerate it. By the way, in case you like some of the images which were in process, but you don't like the final image, there is nothing you can do about it. Probably you can just take a screenshot or something, but it's not possible to save the preliminary result. Like, a lot of people are asking about this feature, but it's not there yet. So yeah, and then what you can do, here you can select to show prompt in artwork. You can name your artwork. And then that's basically that. And then what you can do, you can share it, you can publish it. By publishing, it will appear in your feed, and maybe if it's really amazing image, it will be shown in the community feed. Also in the top right, you can download as original. So if I download as original, basically it will download this image, but it will download it with watermarks. So let me show you. So I downloaded as original and as a font background. So here you can see it's original image, so it will have this like WOMBO art styles and watermarks. And if I just download for a font background, it doesn't have any of that. So that's kind of cool. So this is the way to download. Yep, and then you can share it. So if I just publish it, then I have my account which I can create, and then it will appear on my feed here. So, and I can see all other images which I generated. Overall, I need to say that this app is like really great at the moment with abstract images like forest, sea, city, and some concepts, or some like small object like lamp, or I don't know, cup of tea or something like that. If you try to generate people, it still will be very abstract. So it's not possible to generate like, photography quality images. Maybe you have seen there are already some other AI projects like Imagen from Google or DALL-E 2. So there you can really like generate like dog, and this dog will look like it's a photography. So that's really impressive what AI can do. But here it's more like abstract imagery at this point. But I just looked up in the Discord channel of Dream by WOMBO, and they told that they're working really hard to bring it even more detailed. But anyhow, let's just try to now generate with your input image. That's the core feature of the app. A lot of people really enjoy it. So I can just, I just showed it already. Like here is the image of the lamp. So again, don't try yet to upload your selfie or anything like that. It just won't work. So, and I want to generate the photo of this lamp or like anything else. Like it works really well with landscapes, with like city views, with like some small objects. And then here you can adjust influence of that image. It can be a major influence or minor influence. I usually just select major influence because that provides the best quality. Then still you need to enter some prompt. It won't work without prompt, and your prompt should be related to what's in the image. If there is lamp in the image and you enter prompt like cup in a prompt, so something completely different, then you will confuse the algorithm and you will have like cup and lamp in your image. Then you can select style or no style and then just create. And then again, you will see the magic that basically, you have AI algorithm just basically creating another version of your photo using some artistic style or just generating it like it is. So that's basically the idea. That's how it works. You can also buy prints, by the way, in the top right. I don't know how many people are using that, but you can do that. And then here is your account. There are some settings, your username. You can check out their Discord. There are like a lot of art competitions. Their Discord is super active. I think you can win some prizes and all of that. And I actually read in there that there will be much more updates coming to this app. Like at the moment you can't follow anyone, you can't message, or you can just see previews. But this app will become much more social, kind of like AI Instagram. So you will see a lot of these features, like you can follow people, you can see to other people profiles, you can select their artworks. Other people can do this with your profile, and maybe you can have some following and become like, AI art influencer. So that's that. Another question, like people are wondering, can you just, generate this and sell as NFTs? In what they say here, but you need to double check in privacy policy that you can generate these images and then sell them as NFTs. Like if someone will buy it, it's great, but you still need to mention that it's generated by Dream by WOMBO. That's the one condition as far as I understood. But if you're doing that, if you're planning to do that, just double check in their Discord. So this is the current state of the app. There will be more and more updates coming, so stay tuned. Just make sure to update the app, and I think it will become a really, really great app in the coming weeks or months.